Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make treat croissants at home. First, let's prepare our dough. You can use store-bought puff pastry for a quick method, or create a simple homemade dough with flour, water, yeast, and a touch of sugar. The key is to keep your butter very cold, cut into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch. This helps create those flaky layers. After mixing, chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. Now for the magic, lamination. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle roughly 12 by 8 inches. Place your cold butter pieces evenly over 2/3 of the dough. Fold the unbuttered third over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that like a letter. This creates 3 layers. Chill for 20 minutes, then repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling each time. This builds those beautiful, flaky layers. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape. Roll the dough out to about 1/8 inch thick. Cut it into long triangles, each with a base of approximately 3 inches. Now for the treat part. Place a spoonful of your favorite sweet filling, like chocolate, jam, or almond paste, at the wide end of each triangle. Gently roll them up from the wide end to the point, forming the classic croissant shape. Ensure the tip is tucked underneath. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Place your shaped croissants on a baking sheet and let them proof in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours until they look visibly puffy. Brush with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and flaky. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat croissants.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.